Hello from DCT. Today, we would like to introduce you our fully automated cleaning system specially designed for a high-volume PCBA cleaning. Meet our InJet 888 CRD 2F. Besides removing flux residues from PCBAs, the two-floor InJet 888 CRD can be also used to remove flux from mid-sized soldering frames and coating carriers. The combination of a spray in-air technology and the horizontal layout secures the highest efficiency of the cleaning process with zero shadowing effect. The two-floor layout then doubles the capacity of the cleaning process, enabling you to clean up to 130 of average-sized PCBAs at a time. Maximizing the efficiency of the cleaning process is achieved by spraying cleaning fluid directly onto the component. Due to this feature, our InJet 888 is able to clean off the residues even from under a low standoff components. All of the processes are fully automated and take place in a single process chamber equipped with 3 4-arm rotations and hot air blowers, all made out of stainless steel. InJet 888 CRD2F offers a standard process of cleaning, rinsing, and drying. Cleaning with cleaning chemicals dissolves all contaminants on your components. Rinsing with DI water washes off the cleaning chemical residues. The drying cycle then makes sure all of the components will be 100% dried before taking out of the machine. Our priority is to minimize the cross-contamination and to lower the process fluid consumption, all resulting in a lower cleaning process cost. This is achieved thanks to our signature features such as fully glass inclined process chamber doors, inclined process chamber walls, efficient filtration systems, and a chimney flat diverter which minimizes the evaporation during the process. The cleaning process is monitored and controlled by the PLC. All the process parameters such as time, temperature, and other variables can be quickly adjusted on the touchscreen. The unique feature of the video manuals can be accessed directly from the touchscreen. These videos will guide you to keep the system properly maintained. The whole system is designed for easy access and regular maintenance tasks, such as exchange of filters and seals. All of these tasks can be done quickly and easily without using any tools. Stainless steel construction then ensures long-term reliability and stability of the cleaning equipment. The cleaning chemistry can be refilled easily through the process chamber. Our R&D team specialist will determine which one out of our 200 plus types of cleaning fluids is the best suited for your application. Alternatively, we can develop a custom chemistry designed specifically for your project. Our cleaning systems are developed and produced in-house at DCT in the Czech Republic, Europe. Thanks to the manual welding and quality of the materials used, DCT offers the longest warranty on the market. Ask your distributor for details. Here at DCT, we are constantly developing new technologies. We strive not to be the biggest cleaning company, but to be the most progressive one on the market. Only this way we can continue to offer our customers cutting-edge, reliable technologies and uniquely efficient cleaning fluids. Simply better solutions. You can find more information about our better solutions on our website or on the link right here. Thank you so much for watching and see you at our next video.